Here's an inexpensive little coffee grinder I bought out of a novelty magazine. It was like $29 with free shipping. I particularly like the mechanism here. Get a good picture of it. Sorry the lighting's not the best. But I wanted to see if I could steam power it, and I did. Cut a groove in this flywheel here. Actually a drive wheel. It came, if you make it out right there, they round it pretty good, but it came with a tab that stuck out, well, probably 3/4 of an inch. I cut that off and ground it off, and put a groove in the flywheel so it could run off the steam engine. It will grind coffee, actually, but the beans, they take so much brute force to crack. Probably takes 10-15 pounds of pressure at some time, so you gotta feed them in slow. So there's a grinder blade in there. But anyway, I saw that in the magazine. I thought it was a pretty neat mechanism. I can see it being used for a butter churn too, the top part. Put some kind of a glass bowl or jar underneath it with a lid affixed to it. Probably work. So anyway, enough talking. Let's watch it run. To actually grind coffee, I really got to get it humming over pretty good so it can take the jar and push on through. But you can see a Jensen 55 runs it over nicely. And there's a drawer full of coffee. I just like the motion of it. For $29, it was a very fair deal. The flywheel is actually cast, and these two sections here are. This is nylon plastic, and the gears are as well. And I tell you what, they're very nicely molded. I was surprised. I had to really look hard to make sure that that wasn't cast piece of steel, but it's not. It's got an adjustment knob up there so you can adjust your grading of the coffee to find, of course. I'll open her up a little bit. Trying out my new lazy Susan I made too. Anyway, if you get any idea to do this, it's pretty simple to do. That flywheel just unscrews right off that shaft. It's easy. It was hard to put a groove in it though. I had to score it with a Dremel cutoff wheel. It seemed like it had the outer case on it was really hard. I dulled 2 bits trying to penetrate it. Once I did, it came off real easy. Sorry for all the stuff in the background. Hope you enjoyed it.